Struggle with dirty, hard-to-reach glass roofs?
Lately I've been slipping away.
Manual cleaning is dangerous, expensive, and often inefficient.
Doesn't hurt today.
Meet the Cloud Walker, the future of automated glass cleaning.
There's no way.
Our 2-in-1 system integrates spraying and scrubbing in one pass. It removes sea salt, dust, and stubborn bird droppings effortlessly. Full remote control keeps you safely on the ground. Engineered by our expert team at our state-of-the-art China factory. From premium raw materials to precision professional assembly. Trusted by hundreds of corporate clients with proven success. Stadium or a transit hub, we handle it all. Direct factory pricing, worldwide shipping, and full support. Visit sunroomwipersystem.com to upgrade your cleaning today.